We are going to be unboxing the SecuX W20 cryptocurrency hardware wallet. This hardware wallet does use Bluetooth, and it uses the Infineon Secure Element security feature. The device does have a full-color touchscreen as well as a classic mini USB connection port. On the back of the box, we have information about vault-grade protection embedded with military-grade secure element SE chip to safeguard your private key and PIN against potential risks, Bluetooth and USB connectivity, large 2.8-inch color touchscreen, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, Litecoin, Dash, Dogecoin, Digibyte, Bitcoin Cash, Stellar, all ERC tokens, and Binance. On the top of the box it says Made in Taiwan with a QR code for SecuXTech.com. On the bottom of the packaging is the SecuX branding. On each sides of the package are security tape, which leaves an indicator when you peel the sticker off of the box. Let's open up this box and show you the indicators. As you can see, it is very obvious I have taken the stickers off of both sides of this box. First presentation shows the device with a security sticker placed over top of the USB port. This is the entire contents of the box unpackaged. We have the SecuX W20 hardware wallet quick start guide, a felt SecuX bag, a USB to USB micro, 2 recovery sheets that you can write your seed phrase down, the device itself, and instructions on how to use passphrase and hidden wallet. The device itself feels good in the hand, about the weight of a typical pack of playing cards. The USB port is secured by security tape. There is only one button on this device, and it is the on-off switch. Removing the security tape will be very obvious. I want to thank SecuX Tech for sending me this device and other products to make videos and tutorials with.